Akwane Mzansi nguDemon uDumisani wakwaSithole. Ngiza kuwe namhlanje because ngifuna ukubonisa ngendaba yabengane. Angeze wayithola ikuku ikhamba nembuzi. Angeke wayithola imbuzi ikhamba nezinja. That is basically because umuntu ukhamba nabantu abakhambelana nento afuna ukuba ngiyo nofana into akholelwa kiyo. Birds of the same feather flock together. Angeze wayithola ijuba liphapha namakhozi nofana ikhozi liphapha namajuba. Iningi lethu sikhamba nabantu wrong. We are not blessed namhlanje ngenxa bengane sikhamba nabo. That is why angeze wakhuluma ne-motivational speaker or an entrepreneur or someone that is successful akubonise ngempilo nofana akumentore without them touching on a topic yabengane. Lwana ekhaya sikutshela ngabengane ngoba you are ultimately who you hang around with. Ungilaba ohlala ukhamba nabo izinto eniqoqa ngazo imiqoqo ebayiqoqayo kuba imbewu etshalekayo ngaphakathi kweyakho impilo nanisolo niqoqa ngamagama abantu ukugosipa kuba part of you. That is why now whether you like it or not, it might not be today, this week or this year, but ultimately you end up being the people you hang around with. You end up doing things nabantu okhamba nabo abahlala bazenza. You end up talking like those ohlala ukhamba nabo. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukutshela mntwana ekhaya ukuthi kwenze what we call self introspection. Take a blank paper and write the names of all your friends. Kuzibuze going individually so. Kuzibuze ukuthi number one, this friend of mine ukuzibandakanya kwami naye and ukuzibefrienda kwami naye kungenza ngibe umuntu onjani. Because I can promise you mnganami ukuthi labantu okhamba nabo kunento bayi-add kuwe nofana kunento bayi-subtract kuwe. Iningi lethu sikhamba nabantu that are in a stock fell to kill our dreams. Sikhamba nabantu abasihlekisako behind closed doors, they are plotting against us. So iningi lethu sibulawa ngokuthi we are working with our enemies. Labantu esibabiza ngabangane bayasihlekisa namhlanje. It's easier for them ukuthi bagqwalise itafula bakuthengele utshwala obufunako. Kodwa it's difficult for them ukuthi bakunikeze the same amount of money ukuthi ukhwele ukhambe uyokuhlola ukuthi are there no proposals afunekako. Mhlawumbe uyokwenza i-presentation, mhlawumbe uyokuchecka i-funding, mhlawumbe uyokusubmita i-CV. It's difficult for them ukuthi bakuhelebhe when you are killing your dream, but babuyele emva nakufanele ngathana bakuhelebha to build your dream. You need to introspect mntwana ekhaya uzibuze ukuthi labantu engikhamba nabo ngiyathanda ukuba ngibona ngebanga lokuthi whether you like it or not, sooner than later you will ultimately be the person ohlala ukhamba naye. So you need to be at the point mntwana ekhaya la kufanele uzwisise ubona you can't be a petrol car esolo idlumelela idizili ngaphakathi kwayo because i-engine yakho izokufa because you are not surrounding yourself nabantu abasupporta that vision, abasupporta that dream that you have. Ngifuna ukukutshela mntwana ekhaya ukuthi you need to surround yourself with people that are fueling you, people abakusikimisako nethi nawubhalula kusikima, people abakhona ukuthi bakudlalele phasi ukuze ubhambalale na udiniweko, abantu abakhona ukuthi na ungasenamandla abakhona ukuthandazela ukuthi ube umuntu engathanda ukuba nguye, ingasi abantu abacelebrate nawe naku izinto nazikhambela kuhle, izinto nasele zingasakhambeli kuhle babaleke bonke bokucelebrate nabanye abasucceedako. Inengi lethu we are spending on people who will never spend on us. Inengi lethu we are investing in people who will never even invest a cent in us. Never mind isikhathi sabo. Ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi the people you are wasting your time or you are spending your time with, they are ultimately taking a piece of your life. Ngoba isikhathi ipilo ikhambelana nani? Ikhambelana nesikhathi. For as long as usaphila usesenesikhathi. Umuntu onganasikhathi umuntu obhubhileko. So ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi labantu ospenda nabo isikhathi, they are taking a piece of you. Are you happy namhlanje ngoba na bathathe a piece of you? Base stock feleni sokubulala ibhuda lakho. Birds of the same feather flock together. Ungakhambi nabantu ongafisa ukuba ngibo kusasa. Uzumikuzi.